Me the chance na makilala ka ulit. Alala,
Bakit ka naiiyak?
ba't ka na namiiyak?
Hindi.
Kasi may period tayo, babe.
Kaya ako nakating.
The conversation, random moments, and even the quiet times na magkasama tayo. These past few months have been really special to me. The more I get to know you. Wait guys, you know, may
Dali,
hormones. Ano to? Tingnan mo si Lara umiiyak din. Anong nangyari? The more I get to know you, the more I appreciate you. Mo yung kindness mo and the way you love Katie and yung mga taong mahalaga sa'yo. I know, right? I know, right, Chris?
Sabi, maubos na natin itong tissue.
Wala pa sa kalahati, okay. I'm not here to rush anything. I just want you to feel safe. Safe to be yourself. Safe to take your time. Safe knowing that whatever happens, my intentions with you are genuine. Baka kasi hindi aksidente that life gave us this opportunity to reconnect. Maybe we were meant to reconnect at this version of ourselves. Wiser, stronger, and hopefully better than before. May gusto akong itanong sa'yo. My gosh. Kung tatanong mo, baka may sobra ka, pahiram muna.
Hindi.
Ay, diba? Sorry. Akala, may utang kasi ako. Hinahabol na ako
Hindi.
ng mga... Joke, hindi. Wala. Charot lang. Pwede bang manligaw sa'yo? Pwede bang manligaw sa'yo? Okay, my gosh! Not because of our history, not because of Katie, not because of what other people want, but because of you. If you allow me, I'd love the chance to know you more, make you smile more, support you, and choose you every single day. And if your answer isn't today, that's okay. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali because right now, masaya na ako kung anong meron tayo. And I'm genuinely happy that I get to spend this season of my life. Mamimiss ko kayo ni Katie sobra. Love, Mr. B. Thank you so much. Maybe you should ask my parents.
What? Strict? Strict ang parents.
Yeah.